Hey guys, I'm a dinosaur. Why dinosaurs died out? Here are the main theories. First, asteroid fell. The second, volcanic activity. The third, climate change and continent drift. Fourth, reducing the concentration of oxygen in the atmosphere. What do you think about it? Bye. Hi, I am an elephant. Elephants are the largest of land animals. Only two types of African and Indian. Big ears need an elephant to cool the body. The elephant eats a lot of drinks. Bye. Hey guys, I am a cat.
Cats in ancient Egypt. Cats were considered a member of the family and society. Their life was valued above a person. A separate person was assigned to care for the cat. Such work was considered prestigious. The cult of cats was thanks to the goddess Bastet.
Bye.